Read the article, pay close attention to the decisions the author makes, and jot your answers to the questions. Then think about these questions. What did you like about the way the author wrote the article? What part of the article did you think was the most interesting? What did the author do that made it interesting? Share your thinking with an adult, a sibling, or even your pet. Who are you calling ugly? As you read, how does the animal's appearance affect how people feel about it? How would you describe the koala on the cover? Cuddly? Cute? You might not describe the animal next to it the same way. It's a type of lemur called the aye-aye. With its yellow eyes, giant ears, and bony fingers, it might be viewed as odd or even ugly. Surprisingly, these two animals have something in common. Both are in trouble in the wild, but experts say most people care much more about cuddly koalas. Unattractive animals get a lot less attention, says scientist Charlie Debenham. And if you look, the cover's right here. There is the koala. There's the aye-aye. Which animal would you save? Cute animals get most of the attention, but less attractive animals need our help too. Debenham is trying to change that. She works with the Edge of Existence program at a zoo in England. Its goal is to protect all creatures, even unusual ones. Who gets protected? Nearly 14,000 animal species are known to be endangered. Conservation groups teach people about the dangers these animals face. The groups raise money to help the species survive, but not all animals get the same treatment. A study found that groups focus on attractive creatures like koalas and pandas. They don't talk much about odd-looking ones like aye-ayes or vultures. The reason is simple. It's easier to get people to help cute creatures. Why looks matter? The things we think are ugly in animals are often adaptations that help them survive. For example, the aye-aye's huge ears help it find insects inside tree branches. It uses its extra long finger to dig bugs out. But the aye-aye's looks are also a big reason it's endangered. In the past, people saw it as a sign of bad luck. They killed it on sight. Ugly but important. Every animal serves a purpose, but says Debenham, snakes feast on rats and other pests. Bats eat mosquitoes, which spread disease. And the aye-aye's forest home would be a much different place without it. See why the aye-aye matters. Debenham works to get people to appreciate such not so cuddly animals. Weird and wonderful species deserve to be protected as much as the more attractive animals do, she says. Why the aye-aye matters. The aye-aye lives in Madagascar, an island off the coast of Africa. It plays a key role in the ecosystem there. For example, it gobbles at beetles that live deep inside dead trees. If there were no aye-ayes, there would be more beetles. The more beetles, or the beetles would eat through the wood faster. Small animals that live in the trees, such as geckos and mice, would lose their shelter. And there's Madagascar right there on the map, next to Africa. Your turn. Design a poster to convince people to help protect the aye-aye. Include facts and drawings. Proboscis monkeys. Home, Borneo, an island in Southeast Asia. A male's big nose helps it make calls to attract mates. These monkeys help forests grow by spreading seeds in their poop. Hagfish. Homes, deep areas of oceans worldwide. These eel-like fish have tentacles around their mouths to help them find dead animals to eat. When threatened by a predator, Hagfish can spew sticky slime. Vultures, homes, every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Vultures are nature's cleanup crew. They're scavengers. That means they eat the bodies of dead animals. The rotting meat often carries bacteria that would make other animals sick. Words to know: unattractive, not pleasant to look at. Adaptation, changes in the body or behavior of a species over time that make it better able to survive. I don't remember if I read this one. Scientists say it's important to protect even the most unusual looking creatures.